Welcome back to Doomebug Speaks. To my youngins. Listen. You are not a YN. And I wish people my age and older stop referring to you as a YN. You are more than that. You are not a YN. You are a college student if you go to school. You're a vocational student if you go to school. If you go to regular high school, middle school, you're not a YN. Don't fall in for the trap. I know it sounds cool, I know it sounds slick, but you're more than that. See, sometimes them words, man, can mean a whole lot. Can have you thinking a certain way that you gotta live up to a certain image to fit into that definition of what a YN is, just because you got on a Scully, or just because you got on a face mask or whatever. There's nothing new under the sun. We've been there, done that, had that, and better. So don't get caught up in that. Even with your friends, the ones that you say is your brother, your partners. Be careful. Because if one of them tell you, handle your business, let it go, don't let that slide, he disrespected you. After you put that work in, you will be on trial. You will have to go to court. You will have to find a lawyer if you got money to do that. And the public defenders, you already know, they got so many cases on their docket. They can't or have the resources to defend you like a criminal defense attorney will. Private criminal defense attorney. So don't get caught up in all that, man. They want you to slide, shoot him. Now you shoot him. Okay, now a lawyer wants 20, 30, 40,000 just to represent you for a murder charge. And you facing a life sentence. And while your friends still out there living their life, riding their dirt bikes and joy riding in stolen cars and stuff like that. They're not your friends if they put you in a situation to do that or tell you to handle your business. Because you will have to do that time. And they will go on with their life. That is a fact. And I will keep stating that over and over again so you completely understand that. Life goes on after you commit your crime. When, before, and after you do your time, life goes on. Then here you are, 16, 17, 18 years old, in prison for a life sentence for because you killed somebody because you felt disrespected or he ain't from around your way. Switch them friends up, man. Find that right leadership, man, that they can help you, man. There's a whole lot of us out here. If you need assistance, holler at me, inbox me. I can point you in the right way. I can hook you up with certain individuals out here in society that is actually doing the right thing. Not caught up in all this stuff and not caught up in grant money and all this. No, it ain't about that. So pay attention to your friends. Switch up your friends. You don't got to hang around them 24/7. Wake up, get up, smoke, put your clothes on, go outside and hang on the corner and all that all day for what? You still got time, man. I'm always going to believe in our youth, always. That will never change. But what I need my youngest to listen, you have to listen. Holler at your cousins, holler at your uncles, holler at your father, and ask them how was it when they was in prison and what they would have done differently to avoid that situation. You can't wind back the clock. Them 18 straight years I did, I can't never wind that back. I can't wind that back, get that time back. Switch some peoples up, man. You got a second chance at life to do what you want to do. You got a second chance. Don't fall for the trap. When you're frustrated, walk away. When you're frustrated, think about it. Because when you're frustrated, you're not thinking long term. When you're frustrated, you're thinking about now, the moment. Oh yeah. Slim got me. Yeah, nah. That's the time you gotta really think. Step away, switch it up, do something totally different. I am out here to help. Switch it up, do something differently. Learn from me. That's why I always say, learn from me, not from prison. You would rather learn from me and avoid them pitfalls instead of going to prison. You have no idea what you would see inside prison. And if you're mentally weak, game time is over. They got you. You know how many times I saw dudes that are mentally handicapped or couldn't comprehend certain things or couldn't read, and you had individual filling out their work paperwork, the commissary and all this other stuff, and distorting them, and they had no idea until it's time to put the pressure on them. Then it's too late by then. So I'm telling you, please avoid that prison cell, man. Avoid it. This is Doombug Speaks. Salute.